doing it like you're doing it.
What?
Pushing that car. He's doing it like he sees you doing it. Alright, y'all push him. Go get him, Griffin. Go get him.
You go slow. Mine go fast. I'll crush your truck up. I'll tear your roof up.
No, I'll be nice.
Trust the roof off, Grayson. I'll tear your wheels off now.
What's that little crawl you're doing?
Mine go faster. Yours doesn't.
Be nice, please.
Yours doesn't. Come on, Grayson. Try to beat me up. Beat me up.
He doesn't understand the mean tone. He thinks that you're being mean.
Come on, Grayson.
Go get him, Griffin.
Go get me.